Hello everybody, today I have got a new product with me. This is Xiaomi Mi Pocket Speaker 2. This has been recently launched in India for a price of 1499 rupees. You can buy it from me.com. Actually, Xiaomi is Apple of China. They make beautiful products. Their packaging is also very attractive. You can see white beautifully packed box. Inside you can see an equally beautifully crafted speaker itself. So let us quickly go through the basic specs. This is Bluetooth 4.1 version speaker. It has a battery of 1200 mAh lithium polymer battery. Xiaomi claims 7 hours of continuous music playback, and it's made in collaboration with German company, that is Timpani. Okay, here comes the speaker itself. There is a small printed document. It is the instruction manual. Apart from that, there is nothing else except for the speaker. The speaker has decent weight. It is not like cheap plastic can. It has decent weight to it. I think it's because of the quality material used. The upper part is made of aluminum, anodized aluminum material. Rest is plastic and ABS material. That rubber ring is used to protect the aluminum ring because it acts as a switch. Pressing down the aluminum ring will turn on the speaker. Pressing down it twice will turn on the Bluetooth pairing mode. You can rotate the knob, the aluminum ring. By doing that, you can increase and decrease the volume. Tapping on the ring will change the playback. You can see the fabric material covering the speaker area. It is of very high quality. You can see the micro USB port for charging. The undersurface is a rubberized material that gives it nice grip on slippery surface. You can pair it with both Apple as well as Android phones. Now we will quickly check the sound quality. I was greatly impressed with the sound quality. It has decent bass as well as clear treble. No distortion at all, even at full volume. Some random shots of the speaker. It's an absolute value for money product in this price range. It is indeed a beautifully crafted piece of art. Let us wind up with some sample audio. So that's it. If you want me to make more tech videos like this, please do say that in the comments. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support.